Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to cover up topic section 9 of CGST Act 2017, which is telling about levy and collections under GST. In last class we studied about basic concept under GST and charging section like supply, mixed supply, composite supply. Today is most important section under GST because every law there is the charging section is very important. So here we must know when we are going to pay GST, who are eligible to collect GST. Friends, you know that GST, under GST there is two type of mechanism. One is forward charge, another one is reverse charge. Forward charge means onus on collection and payment of tax lies on supplier of goods and services or both. It means the person who is supplying goods or services or both has to collect tax and pay to the government as per prescribed time limit. Then the second one is reverse charge. What does it mean? Reverse charge means opposite to forward charge. Means here the supplier has to pay tax, here the recipient has to pay tax to the government. Then we must understand by reading of BR Act what does the section says. The section says there shall be levied a tax called central goods and service tax for every interested supplies of goods, services or both, except on alcoholic liquor for human consumption on the value determined under section 15 and at such prescribed rate as may be notified by the central government on the recommendation of the councils. It's selling three things, means what are the goods or services on which GST shall be charged, what are the items not covered under GST, then valuation mechanism under section 15 and who has authority to prescribe rates. Here they are telling this act covers all goods or services of both except alcoholic liquor for human consumption. So liquor still under state government levy. It means the state government has authority to collect tax for liquor. There are certain goods still under VAT and has not been brought forward under GST like petrol, diesel, natural gas, aviation turbine fuel, petroleum crude. In recent meeting, the government has decided to bring under GST and this proposal still under progress stage. Then here we must understand what is RCM, means reverse charge mechanism. What are the supplier and service provider are eligible under RCM and how this system works, whether the RCM holder can take input tax credit or not. So by bare reading of section 9 subsection 3, the government may on recommendation of council by notification specify categories of goods, services or both, the tax on which shall be paid on reverse charge basis by the recipient of goods or services or both. When the tax came in force, purchase from unregistered dealer also was under RCM. Now this is abandoned for a while. Now we should know what are the goods or services are listed under RCM. Cashew nut, whether sold or peeled. Here supplier of goods is agriculturist and recipient is any other business resident registered person. The registered business person has to pay tax under RCM. Tendu or tobacco leaves, here supplier is agriculturist, recipient is registered business person, tax